Here's a simple guide on how you can invest your money in the share market, stock market, and mutual funds, explained in an easy way. 1. How to invest in the share market, buying shares directly. Steps. 1. Open a Demat and trading account. You need to open this with a stockbroker like Zerodha, Groww, Upstocks, or your bank, e.g., HDFC, ICICI. 2. Complete KYC, know your customer. Provide your PAN, Aadhaar, photo, and bank details. 3. Add money to your trading account. Transfer money from your bank to your broker's platform. 4. Buy shares. Search for the company, like Reliance, TCS, etc. Check its price and buy the number of shares you want. Example, you buy 5 shares of TCS at 3,500 rupees each. You are now a small part owner of TCS. 2. How to invest in the stock market. Note, the stock market is just the place where shares are bought or sold. You can't invest in it directly, but you use it to invest through a broker. So when you invest in shares, as explained above, you are already using the stock market, like NSE or BSE, to do that. Example, when you use Zerodha to buy Reliance shares, Zerodha connects to the NSE, so you're using the stock market to invest. 3. How to invest in mutual funds. Steps. 1. Choose a mutual fund platform or app. Use apps like Groww, Kuvera, Zerodha Coin, Paytm Money, or directly go to mutual fund company websites like SBI Mutual Fund, HDFC Mutual Fund. 2. Complete KYC. Just like with shares, you need to do KYC. 3. Pick a mutual fund. Choose based on your goals. For example, SIP, monthly investment, or lump sum, one time. Equity fund, high return, high risk, or debt fund, low return, low risk. Invest. Start with as little as 100 rupees or 500 rupees. Example, you invest 500 rupees per month in an SBI blue chip mutual fund through Groww. A fund manager uses your money to buy shares of big companies. You get returns based on how they perform. Summary in simple words. To invest in shares. Open a Demat account. Choose a company. Buy shares. To use the stock market. Use the platform, like NSE, BSE, through your broker. It's the marketplace. To invest in a mutual fund. Use an app or website. Pick a fund. The fund manager does the rest. Here's how much money you need to start investing in the share market, stock market, and mutual funds from minimum to maximum in simple terms. 1. Share market, buying shares directly. Minimum investment. There is no fixed minimum, but the share price decides how much you need. For example, just 100 rupees. If the share costs 2,500 rupees, like TCS, you need 2,500 rupees. Maximum investment. There's no limit. You can invest as much as you want, even lakhs or crores, if you have the money. 2. Stock market. Remember, the stock market is not a thing you invest in directly. You use it as a platform when you buy shares. So the money needed is same as share market. Depends on the share prices of companies you want to buy. 3. Mutual fund. Minimum investment, SIP, systematic investment plan, starts from just 100 to 500 rupees per month, lump sum, one time. Starts from 1,000 rupees in most mutual funds. Maximum investment, no strict limit. You can invest lakhs or more based on your financial capacity.